7:45. He's shirtless.
Hey, this is blue, but it looks like it's green.
So like we're bored now, cause our friends already left,
It's nighttime.
and we're bored and we can't play the PS3.
Okay, I will check.
And yes. So like,
She has a level up.
yeah, so we're bored. This is not a bra.
I'm shirtless.
And yeah, you can see his nipple.
See it?
Ew, it's,
You better cover your eyes.
yeah, you better cover his eyes. So like, yeah, we're bored. Totally bored. Oh, it's Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao. I'm gonna kill the internet. So like, we're bored. Bye. Oh yeah, comment what should we do?
A good comment?
Comment something. Comment something that we can do. Don't do inappropriate stuff. Bye. Make your crazy face.